Hello kids, how are you today? Good. Now in this video we will draw and color letter A and an apple. I hope you are ready to draw with me. First of all, let's start by drawing outline of letter A. The outline is complete. Now let's color it with red. It's looking great. Look at the eyes. Now we are going to draw the apple. Let's start by drawing outline of the apple. Stem and leaf. Now let's draw the eyes. Outline of the apple is complete. Now we will color the apple red. Draw a mouth with white color. Color the leaf green and the stem dark brown. That's it, we have drawn the apple. A for apple. In the next video, we will draw letter B and a ball. Please like and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.